Welcome to the latest edition of Career Videos by the Knowledge Academy, where today's video is about the blockchain developer. Before moving on to this session, if you like what you are about to see, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon next to it so that you would never miss out on any of the informative content that we put out. So without further ado, let's take a look at the agenda for this video. Initially, we'll go through the blockchain. After that, we will see blockchain development. And afterward, we will go through the blockchain developer. And then comes the types of blockchain developers. And after that, we will see how to become a blockchain developer. So let's move on to our first topic. Blockchain. Have you heard about blockchain? Well, blockchain is incredibly popular nowadays. It is a revolutionary technology that has changed how transactions work. It intends to provide a safe and secure mode of transactions by using digital cryptocurrencies that no one can manipulate. It is a set of logs that records transactions, like who made the transactions and to whom. The amount of trade in digital ledger distributed across the entire network makes it more secure and reliable. It is impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system, as it is verified and validated by every node in the blockchain network. Cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, Binance Coin, and many more use this blockchain network. The blockchain technology is decentralized as it is not subject to the control of any single entity or group. The blockchain technology enables businesses to conduct secure transactions without involving third parties. Are you curious to know how this technology is developed? Let's discuss the development of blockchain, which brings us to blockchain development. The process of creating and maintaining a blockchain platform is known as blockchain development. This includes developer who develops the infrastructure required to maintaining blockchain-based application and services, such as currencies, smart contracts, distributed apps. It also helps in developing tools and technologies needed to support the platform. A software or platform that utilizes blockchain's capabilities and advantages such as security, transparency, and dependability is known as a blockchain application. Blockchain developments require a vast understanding of existing technology. Additionally, a persistent dedication to security and scalability is needed. Building a blockchain platform requires effort with optimum resources and knowledge. Let's move on to our main topic. Blockchain developer. Blockchain developer is responsible for developing and enhancing blockchain-related applications, famously known as the DApps or the decentralized applications, smart contracts, architecture, and protocols. They are in charge of creating the 3D designs, the 3D models, and the 3D content for the things like video games. Blockchain developer creates the security and architecture of the proposed blockchain system. Essentially, the core blockchain developer lays the groundwork for others to build on. One has to carry out the following duties: create the blockchain protocol designs, create a network architecture that helps to centralize or decentralize your data, back-end programming using blockchain protocols, creating front-end designs as per customer demands, and then finally creating and maintaining smart contracts. Which brings us to our next topic, different types of blockchain developers. Essentially, there are two types of blockchain developers. There are subdivisions of blockchain development. Let's take a look at their roles briefly. First comes the core blockchain developer. The system architecture and cybersecurity are the responsibilities of core blockchain developers. They create protocols, keep up-to-date blockchains, and manage the entire blockchain network. And then comes the software blockchain developer. For the blockchain network, blockchain software developers create new applications like the NFTs, They create web applications, smart contracts, and decentralized applications or the DApps, leveraging the essential web foundation and architecture. Moving ahead, we'll discuss about becoming a blockchain developer. Before getting into this sector, one must learn about the educational qualifications needed to become a blockchain developer. To begin your career in blockchain industry, the first step is to get a computer science degree or an information technology degree. Further, to become a professional in this field, you will be required to familiarize yourself with the fundamentals. That is, the key is to start with the basics of blockchain. Apart from the degree, taking up an entry-level course on the blockchain development is a win-win. The courses will help you understand the up-to-date skills and knowledge required in the industry. Therefore, it will add to your university degree and get you one step closer into becoming a professional. Learn important skills. You should have the adequate skills to excel and flourish as a developer. And you should be versed in the following: programming languages such as Python, smart contracts, which is a program stored in the blockchain that allows two parties to execute discussions without any intermediary. Cryptography, which is integral to blockchain technology as it protects sensitive data, ensuring messages accurate delivery. Blockchain architecture. Learning blockchain architecture helps recognize an area of career focus. And data structure. You must be familiar with organizing, processing, storing, and restoring data to work with the blockchain. Be updated with the blockchain industry. It is essential to be aware of the latest market trends such as educational qualifications, skills, job openings, salaries across regions and companies, and demands in the industry, etc., so that you can grasp the current world requirements. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.